hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey, Mr. Smith here for Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. I got my friend Taylor Swift here. Say hi, Taylor. Hi. Taylor is here to help me with a promotion that we're having. It's a giveaway. It's a Taylor Swift puppet giveaway. All you have to do is watch my video, subscribe, like, hit the bell, and write some comments. Then you gotta share it with a friend. I need 4,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at 3,928. I want to hit that 4,000 mark, and I can only do it with your help. So if you help me, you get Taylor Swift home to be your very own puppet. I want to come see you. Do you want Taylor to come to your house? Well, if you do, all you need to do is just watch, and she will come to see you. You can play with Taylor, play her favorite songs, she can strum her guitar, and you can have a great time. So make sure, watch my whole video, subscribe, like, share it with a friend, share it with your family, share it with your neighbors, share it wherever you know. Tell them, watch Mr. Smith's video. But I need 4,000 subscribers, and I want to see them soon. And Taylor wants to see you. So make sure you just watch. Say bye, Taylor. Bye. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye. First, I looked at many different pictures and photographs of Taylor Swift. Then I found this caricature, and I really liked how that looked. And so I used that to base how I created Taylor Swift. I thought looking at the caricature would have a little bit more emotion, and sometimes they express things a little bit more than the regular face. Because it's a puppet. I wanted to have fun. I wanted her to be fun. So after I did that, now I'm cutting out the silhouette of the face, and I also drew her hair. Cutting out parts of her face, which I'll then trace on the proper color paper as I start to fit all the pieces together. Her lips, eyes, nose, everything I will take apart, fit together, put it back together, see how it fits. See how it fits with the hair, and the hair is one of the most important parts to work with. Unfortunately, I'm not working with see-through paper or tracing paper, so I can see how things look. But I gotta kind of feel and lay on top of, then trace, then cut out parts. I'm cutting out the inside of her hairline now, so I can see how I can actually fit the face under that. Even though you see it's on top, it will eventually be under that. You want to look like the hair is coming down over top. And the one thing about doing a paper bag puppet is that you're using the bag itself to help make the mouth move. And you want to make sure you never glue the top part to the bottom or have it so it doesn't move. Otherwise, you will have what I call a puppet. That's a puppet that can't talk. Okay. Fitting her hair on, doing the whites of her eyes, still messing with the hair. I'll tell you, the hair is one of the hardest parts when doing puppets. I'm working with kids in the classroom, and it's easy to do everything else, but the hardest part is the hair. But I try to tell kids, you can just start and add on. I'm making the eyes now, doing the pupils, the cornea, and then I'll do the pupils. I want to make sure they fit in, not coming over top, just right over top the lashes. Then eventually I'll go in with some colored pencils and draw the makeup. Okay, working with her shoulders and this dress. Don't want to make them too big. I'm going to have it just right. Cutting out her arms because I'm going to eventually have her guitar so she can play her guitar, her one prop. And I want that arm to look good. That's going to be holding the guitar. But so far so good. We got the dress cut out and piecing things together, seeing how they fit. I'm getting ready to start gluing things down. As you see, nothing is one whole piece of paper. Things are lots of different pieces of paper. I'm cutting slits in her hair and then I'm going to go through and curl it a little bit to help give it a little bit of body. Got to do both sides, same way. Cut the smaller slits, cut bigger slits. Now I think I got everything just right, so it's finally time to glue the dress, glue the arms, glue everything together. But we don't want to glue it so much we can't get our hand inside the puppet. That's the most important part, because you're going to have to animate the puppet so that she can talk, sing, have fun. You got to be able to move that puppet. Alright, just fixing this. Got one arm going over top, one arm coming around. She's getting close. But please make sure that you have watched my whole video. And here's Taylor Swift. She's talking to us. Let's see what she's going to say. Make sure you like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Come back and see me again. Hope that you are my 4,000 subscriber. 4,000 gets Taylor Swift at home. See you soon. Bye.